A powerful cold front has brought heavy snowfall along the Sea of Japan coast and to other areas, claiming at least 4 lives and prompting authorities to caution people against non-urgent outings through Friday. According to the meteorological agency, mountains in Niigata Prefecture are forecast to receive 80 centimeters of snow over 24 hours through 6 a.m. Friday, and mountains in Toyama and Ishikawa prefectures are set to see 70 centimeters. In Ishikawa Prefecture, residents are still recovering from the earthquake a year ago, coupled with heavy rain last summer. The 24-hour snowfall through early Thursday totaled in various regions included 53 centimeters in the village of Shirakawa, Gifu Prefecture, 49 centimeters in the city of Uonuma in Niigata Prefecture, and 48 centimeters in the town of Kaneyama in Fukushima Prefecture. The weather agency has also announced it might issue a heavy snow warning for the city of Tsugaru in Aomori Prefecture on Friday, warning individuals to beware of traffic disruptions, snow falling from roofs, and damage to buildings. In Tsugaru, the atmosphere will be extremely unstable from tomorrow morning to late at night, so please be careful of severe wind gusts and lightning, the agency said on its website. Snowfall is especially heavy in Aomori Prefecture, with the city of Hirosaki experiencing a record snowfall, or 3.7 times the average amount of accumulated snow for January. For the first time in 13 years, 10 municipalities in Aomori Prefecture will be covered for heavy snowfall from January 4th under the Disaster Relief Act, which provides necessary financial support from the government for those affected in disasters. In a news conference Wednesday, the meteorological agency said a strong cold air mass will flow in by around Friday, creating a strong winter pressure pattern. This will lead to continued snowfall primarily along the Sea of Japan side of Honshu, with the potential for heavy snow even in lowland areas. Agency officials warned of the dangers posed by heavy snow piling up, which has already caused several fatalities. Local media reported that a woman in her 50s in the city of Aomori had died on Thursday when she fell from the roof of her home while trying to remove snow. At least 3 other deaths due to the snowfall have been confirmed since the turn of this year. Officials from the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport, and Tourism warned during the same news conference of potential vehicle standstills, road closures, and delays in public transportation. The ministry urged people to avoid unnecessary outings, noting that during heavy snowfall in January of last year, a vehicle standstill near the Sekigahara interchange on the Meishin Expressway took up to 34 hours to clear. For those who must drive, it emphasized the importance of equipping vehicles with winter tires or chains, carrying winter gear such as shovels, and re-evaluating travel routes to ensure safety. Temporarily stranding about 100 vehicles following the closure of part of an expressway. A section of the Yamagata Shinkansen Line was suspended temporarily to allow snow to be removed, while trains on the Tokaido Shinkansen Line ran at reduced speeds between Nagoya and Shin-Osaka stations, and delays were experienced also on the Sanyo Shinkansen Line, the train operators said. Part of the Hokuriku Expressway was closed from the early hours of Friday through to around noon following an accident, leaving roughly 100 vehicles stuck. A section where the Tomei and Meishin expressways merge between Aichi and Shiga prefectures was also temporarily closed. The Japan Meteorological Agency warned residents in the affected areas to stay alert, as snow will continue to fall in the mountainous regions facing the Sea of Japan until Saturday. According to the Japan Meteorological Agency, snowfall measurements revealed staggering totals, particularly in the Tohoku region, where several locations reported over 100 centimeters. Notably, the town of Akiyoshidai witnessed an extraordinary 371 centimeters, creating a striking winter landscape. In western Japan, significant snowfall also surpassed typical figures in areas along the Sea of Japan and mountainous regions. North Hiroshima City saw 114 centimeters, while Mimasaka City in Okayama recorded 61 centimeters. Meanwhile, Tottori City reported 7 centimeters, contributing to the picturesque winter scenery across the nation. As the snow continues to fall, residents and travelers alike are advised to remain vigilant and safe during this winter's onslaught. Approximately 59 centimeters, 23.2 inches, of snow was recorded in Minakami Town, Gunma Prefecture, in the 24 hours through 2000 hours local time, while 40 centimeters, 15.7 inches, was recorded in Nishiezu Town, Fukushima Prefecture. Some areas received well over 1 meter, 3.3 feet, of snow within 72 hours. As of 2000 hours local time on Friday, 1.95 meters, 6.4 feet, of snow was reported in Uonuma City, Niigata Prefecture, while Shirakawa Village, Gifu Prefecture, recorded 1.85 meters, 6.1 feet, during the same period. By 1800 hours local time on Thursday, accumulated snowfall reached 1.84 meters, 6.0 feet, in Sumin, Uonuma City, Niigata Prefecture, and 1.67 meters, 5.5 feet, in Shirakawa Village. On the Noto Peninsula, which experienced a major earthquake and torrential rains last year, 7 centimeters, 2.8 inches, of snow was recorded on the ground in Suzu City and 1 centimeter, 0.4 inches, in Wajima City, both in Ishikawa Prefecture. In the 24 hours through Saturday evening, approximately 50 centimeters, 20 inches, of snow is forecast for the Tohoku and northern Kanto regions, with 40 centimeters, 16 inches, expected in other regions, primarily in the west. The meteorological agency pointed out that a strong cold current of minus 30 degrees Celsius continues to flow into Hokkaido, Tohoku, Kinki, Chugoku, Shikoku, northern Kyushu, southern Kyushu, and other places at an altitude of about 5,500 meters at this time, and the impact of the cold current is expected to continue until tomorrow before noon. The maximum snowfall in Aomori Prefecture, Japan, reached 25 centimeters in the past 12 hours, and the snow depth in Aomori Prefecture and Hirosaki City both reached 120 centimeters, more than 3 times the same period in previous years. Among them, the snow depth at Tsuyu Weather Station in Aomori Prefecture reached 4.13 meters at an alarming speed, breaking the historical record of the fastest winter snow depth in Japan exceeding 4 meters. Hirosaki City even set a new record for the largest snow accumulation in January since statistical records began in 1982. Since the beginning of winter this year, the northeastern region of Japan has been characterized by many snowfall days, strong processes, and very large local accumulation amounts. Zhou Ningfang, chief forecaster at the Central Meteorological Observatory, analyzed in an interview with reporters that from January 1st to 4th, the snowstorm in Aomori Prefecture continued, with cumulative rainfall reaching 83 millimeters. However, compared with the same period in normal years, the total winter rainfall in northeastern Japan did not increase significantly. Zhou Ningfang pointed out, although the regional cumulative snowfall is not abnormal, local areas such as Aomori Prefecture and Hirosaki City experienced abnormally heavy snowfall and deep snow thickness, so the local extreme characteristics of the process are quite significant. Snowfall in northeastern Japan is expected to weaken or become intermittent from the 11th to the 13th, and a new round of snowfall will begin on the 14th.